hello, how are you guys? I'm Chris from Viaje Inteligente. Today another video, a little different than the previous one because today I want to show you um, something strange that happened in this city in particular and in this country, and I want to show you my point of view about this, okay? Because it's a city that make a lot of growing and growing so much. um, don't forget to follow me in this social media and give me a big like at the end of the video, okay? Bye bye and go to the video. Well, I want to talk with you about this city. The name is Batumi, and we are in Georgia. Georgia was one country in the Soviet Union before. When I want to talk to you a little bit about the history of this country, and I think people from Soviet Union, they living here was like the bad people, maybe corruption people or something that stole a lot of money or use a lot of the Soviet Union, because here it's easy to walk on the mountain or close to here. It's easy to walk and see big houses like a hotel or something, castle, and was for the general or all these people in Soviet Union. They coming here for vacation, I think. It's really extreme that happened in that moment. But well, when the Soviet Union finished, I think the people back coming here, the people they have a lot of money, corruption. Even in, I'm sorry, but even in one series you can find it in Netflix. The name is The Peaky Blinders, and in this series they're talking about Tbilisi. This one was in the year 1950, I think, or 1951, and they talking about Tbilisi. Tbilisi is the capital of this country, and if you watch this series, if you don't watch it, I recommend you watch it. It's a really good series. In this series they're talking, these guys make business with somewhere here in Tbilisi, and this city is like a mafia, like a gangster thing. You need to, and from that moment here the thing running a little dark. But to me, it's a city that now have maybe more than 10 years growing, and you see a lot of develop here and a lot of construction. It's a city that start to growing so much without control, not have control. Georgia too was or is one of the first country that accept Bitcoin, or not Bitcoin, cryptocurrency in general, for buy apartment. You can buy apartment, you can buy a lot of things here. They have ATM for everywhere in the country, and you can get change your cryptocurrency for the currency here, like the fiat, the here. So easy. And the regulation here for buy one apartment, because have a lot of buildings and a lot of apartment, is nothing. It's like you need to pay 30 or 10% of the value of the property. You need to give that money and show your passport. If your passport is from US, from Europe country, or for one country, this one the strong country, you don't have problem. You need to only give this one, and you pay little by little. And you can find here apartment around $10,000 or less. From $10,000, I think you can find an apartment, maybe a little less too. You pay maybe $3,000 and you get one apartment. I don't talking a big apartment, more like a studio apartment, really little, but almost like the videos that I showed you before. I invite you to watch the video. This apartment that I stay for Airbnb, and it's something like that you can buy for $10,000, and even with furniture, they sell completely. Here the investor was from Russia, Saudi Arabia, China. I think maybe another country, maybe Dubai or something like that. But it's the most investor here, and the building, the construction, almost almost 50% of the construction, the company, the contractor are from China. They come in here and they build building. Even China now here have one project to make a train, and they start to develop that one too. If you're interested to buy one apartment here, in my particular opinion, this one is a bubble and at one moment boom, and I think so many buildings will be empty and not finished. We stay in one company, the name is Orbi, and we stay in 3 different buildings that this company, and the building not finished yet. They finish a little bit but not finished completely, but they sell you like, oh, will be like this and the design so good. I left in the description below this company for you watching there, and they have a video and whatever, and you see and look amazing, but I don't know if it will be like this. Some people say that here, oh, the Black Sea is so good, the casino, because here have a lot of casino, and this one will be the new Dubai, they say. For my particular opinion, this one is a bubble, and we boom soon because have a lot of building, and it's crazy, guys. For that, if you're interested, you go to the link below and watch buy one apartment. Maybe it's your beach front view, and maybe you enjoy that. But for me, I don't invest here. This one is a bubble for sure. This country too, some people say the is happen all this thing because this country is in the list for European Union. Put this country in the European Union, and for that some people say, oh, maybe it's a good time to buy here, invest, and make to the European, and the price growing up. But I don't know. I invite you to come here and take a look because it's so weird. Okay. Well, guys, I hope you like the video and follow me in this social media if you don't do that yet, and give me a big like, and see you next time. Okay. See you later. Thank you, guys.